Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get Halloween hats in Among Us. It's actually very easy to do. All you have to do is go ahead and change the date and time in your settings. I'll show you guys how to do that and then to get the Halloween hats in Among Us. So we're just going to go over to our settings in the bottom right corner, scroll down to where you see General, click on General. Then we're going to scroll down to where you see Date and Time, just click on Date and Time. And then what we're going to do here is disable the Set Automatically Time setting. And then that will allow us to change the date and times on our phones. So we can go ahead and click on the date here. And we want to change this to October 31st, 2019. So I'll just change the year here. And then I'll go back and the date. Once you have that changed there, you can go ahead and go back on General. And that will save it. We can then exit out of here and open up Among Us. So now what we're going to do when we're in Among Us is we're just going to quickly go into a lobby. And then just head over to the computer. And then we'll be able to choose our hat. So we can just click on Online, Find Game. Just pick any random game. And then once we're in here, we can just walk down to the computer, and then we can go ahead and click on the computer, over to hats, and you guys will see I have all the Halloween hats on my account. Very, very easy to set up. And you guys will notice as well, I do have a blank name. So if you want to learn how to get a blank name, you can go ahead and just check out my YouTube channel. I will have a link there to that video to get a blank name. Anyhow, if this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.